Creating a beautiful butterfly garden can be a rewarding and enjoyable project that not only adds beauty to your outdoor space but also helps support local butterfly populations. Here are some steps to guide you in creating your own butterfly-friendly garden. Research local butterflies. Start by researching the butterfly species that are native to your area. Different species prefer different plants and habitats. So it's essential to know which butterflies you want to attract. Contact your local gardening center or butterfly conservation organization for information on native butterflies. Select the right location. Choose a sunny spot for your butterfly garden. Butterflies love warmth and need sunlight to stay active and healthy. Ideally, the garden should receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Plan the layout. Design the layout of your butterfly garden. Consider creating different sections with various plants to attract butterflies at different stages of their life cycles. Include a mix of nectar plants for adult butterflies and host plants for caterpillars. Choose butterfly-friendly plants. Nectar plants, these are flowers that provide nectar for adult butterflies. Choose a variety of colorful flowers with different shapes and sizes to attract a diverse range of butterflies. Some popular nectar plants include butterfly bush, zinnias, lavender, coneflowers, and milkweed. Provide shelter. Butterflies need places to rest and seek shelter from wind and predators. Plant some taller shrubs or place flat rocks around the garden where butterflies can sunbathe and rest. Continuous blooming. Choose a variety of plants that bloom at different times throughout the growing season to provide a continuous source of nectar for butterflies. Maintenance. Regularly maintain your garden by deadheading spent flowers and removing weeds. Prune plants as needed and monitor for any pest issues. A well-maintained garden will attract more butterflies. Remember, it may take some time for butterflies to discover and populate your garden. So be patient and keep your garden well maintained. With time, your beautiful butterfly garden will become a heaven for these delicate and captivating creatures.